What's good, everybody? You already know what it is. It's your boy, and always, I appreciate y'all rocking with me. Today, as you see by the thumbnail and a little description and everything like that, another one, as Khaled would say. You know what I'm saying? Some more pickups from Liz, but these are actually in store, as you've seen by the picture. Some I was able to get lucky on. I know a lot of the latest drops have been falling in all the stores now. At first, when they first started releasing, they were online. Then they went into stores like 2 or 3 weeks later. Now, I want to say they're starting on their second wave that hit online. So I'm pretty sure those ones from that second wave will probably start hitting stores in another week or two, pretty much if they follow the same scenario as the first drop. So with that being said, these are some of the ones I copped. I want to say these are from the first drop, I believe, because when I looked on there and I wanted to order actually one of each one of these that I have, they didn't have a size 8 online. So went into my local Liz, which I haven't done in a long time. I think the last time I went in there is coincidentally when I went to go look for the Fear of God joints, you know what I'm saying? So that's probably the last time I've been in there actually looking for something. But wind up coming across these right here and actually found my size in the ones that I didn't find online. So we're going to jump right into those. We're going to get into some more Liz drops. Didn't think I'd be saying that for a while on this channel, even after the first video. But here we are. So we're going to get into these. Stay tuned for that good intro. It's your boy, strap in. We're about to get into some more hats, man. So we're going to do this good intro, a little bit of that music, and we're going to get into them, man. So stay tuned. So like I said, don't need my utensil because these are in store. So they already in the bag. I know what they are because they put them in the bag and I picked them. So no popping boxes right now. So we're going to just pull some bags, I guess we can say, if we're going to make it rhyme. But anyway, man, not to drag this out, we're going to get into them. Now, this first one, like a lot of these, I mean, I don't really know if they got descriptions, but I'll just give you what's on the under of the hat. And this first one is the Chicago White Sox MLB Color UV Olive and Camouflage. Now, they dropped a bunch of these. I believe you already saw me grab one of these, which was the Angels one. And apparently that one was real hot because it went really fast. Now, this one, like most people, man, I enjoy a good White Sox logo. And with this one right here, it definitely didn't disappoint in like the little olive colorway. And, you know, a lot of it, like, honestly, even with the Angels ones that I got like this, I love how the patches came out on these with the whole, I want to say olive, and what is that? What would it be? Tan? The outline? It would be tan, I guess, I'm assuming. You know, don't quote me. Drop it in the comments. But I'm going to say like the olive with the little tan, little indentations there, and then the tan on the outlining. I love the way it stood out with the olive. Didn't go tone with the new era, one with the black, and I get it. If they're sticking with more of like a, I don't want to say like an Army-esque look, but then it gives it that with the whole camouflage on the colorway. I just see that one with the whole camouflage, and I don't mind it. I don't mind it at all. It looks good. It goes with the hat. Hit with the white guts in there to throw it off with a little something different. Could have just as easily went with black. But hey, they stepped out of their lane. You know what I'm saying? I like that. Honestly, I like that. Let me know what you think, but I like that. Because they could have easily went with black and just, you know, just left it regular and, you know what I'm saying, copacetic. But they went and just threw it out there because really, if you look at it, there's nothing else on this hat that says white except the receipt on the bottom. So the fact that they dropped the white guts on here, it's different. I'm here for it. I like it. You know what I'm saying? And like, I mean, I like the logo on there. I like the way it looked with this colorway. So it's not bad. Not an indented Batterman, but you know, I won't tack off of that. Definitely love how the Batterman came out in the colorway. But everybody knows me, you know, I prefer an indented Batterman. But, you know, tomato, I guess, you know what I mean? But like I said, coming back to that UV, love how they did the camouflage UV. Like, I mean, this hat gives it kind of like a distinct look, if I can say that with the colorway. Like I said, let me know what you think down below. But hey, I like the way the Angels one came out. Definitely like the one this came out. Glad I was able to get it because, like I said, they did not have my size online for this one. Now, this second one I got, to me, was a must-have. But, oh, this one kind of threw me for a loop. But let me give you the description first. We have the California Angels MLB Gray Anniversary. Now, if anybody knows this one here, yeah, make sure I got no stains on it. Anybody know this one here? You got this right here. Love this colorway more than the colorway. I love the logo. But now, here's where it may come in on some people, which I didn't notice in the picture, this side patch. Now, actually, it's really just that, a patch. This is the, like, I guess, I don't know if it's the anniversary, but it's a woven patch. It's sewn on, but it's a woven patch. I just see, right? You know what I mean? It's not like, you know, an actual patch. But then, you know, it goes to think, if you really think about it, what is an actual side patch then? Because technically, this is what a patch is with this kind of material and sewn on. This one is just actually sewn on. I mean, it could be considered a patch, but if you think the original, like, actual patches, like patches you put on your clothes and everything, you would think woven. You know what I mean? You wouldn't think sewn on, because patches, you know, you put like on your jackets and your different things like that, and they weren't all sewn on. They were this type of woven material and sewn on. You know what I mean? At least back in the days. You know what I'm saying? Now, the woven patch, I'm not mad at. Love how it looks. The detail is going to be there because, like I said, it's woven. It's not really sewn in, but I like it. It is different. I mean, of course, you know, once you get used to your actual, you know, your patches, side patches, I mean, it is kind of different. And you look for, hey, and when I seen it, when I ordered it, well, not ordered it, but when I bought it, I mean, I still bought it evidently because I liked it. But when I seen this to order it online, this patch to me, I just assumed. So that was just me. I assumed it was a regular patch. I didn't know it was woven once I saw it in the store. But more than anything, I bought it for the front logo, not so much the side patch. But now, you want my opinion? Does it work? I mean, it works. It looks good. It doesn't look bad. I won't say it looks bad because it doesn't. You got the green under. Of course, you got your white guts on here. Like I said, everybody using the white guts, trying to make everything stand out just a little bit more. Now, of course, I see them going with this because you got white everywhere predominantly, not so much like the army camo. But this one is going to be predicated on if you're actually feeling the actual woven patch sewn on, or is a regular side patch your preference. So that's what these being released are gonna basically be based on, is how you want to take your patches. You know what I'm saying? Now, I will say at the end of the day, does it look bad? Not at all. Doesn't look bad at all. Your preference now, that may be a little bit different. That's all, you know, that's personal opinion. And you already know how I love y'all in the comments. Flood them now. Woven or regular. So I don't know which one you say is the original, because I think woven has been around longer than regular sewn in patches. At least, you know, on some of the stuff I say, if you go back in the days, you know what I mean? So it's all about woven, or you want your regular side patch. So definitely let me know. Me, I'm not going to have a preference as long as the look is good. If the look is good and it presents itself good and it goes with the hat, personally, I don't have a problem with either. You know what I mean? But if I could prefer it, of course, I'd rather take a regular side patch than a woven. But if it looks good, as you see with this one, I'm definitely going to cop it, because it's nothing wrong with how it looks. You know what I mean? But it's, like I said, it's preference. So let me know down below what y'all thinking on them. You know what I'm saying? So like I said, that's just one personal opinion. That's why I got y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what y'all thinking. I'm going to bring it to you how you look. Then you make your judgment. You go out and grab it. You feel me? Now, this last one is basically a double up. Got lucky on this one because I just thought these were gone. You know what I mean? And it was the last one. It was literally, actually, the funny thing, it was behind another hat. And I was looking for, you know, if they had my size, and seen this one. And this one basically is a Fear of God in black. So there's no description needed. Basically, this one is just, I found an extra in a black because I have the one that was released about now, maybe what, 2 years ago? And this was that released 2 years ago. As you see, with the gray underbottom. And the reason why I doubled up is this point exactly, because of the guts on it. It has like the off-white, but this one, is, you know, is super off-white, because I've never wore this. This is how the look it brought. Now, and the difference with this one, it gives an off-white look, but not as off-white as this one. This one almost gives like a dingy off-white look to it, which is why I want to keep it original and keep it just like this and leave it the way it is. I really didn't want to wear it. So I'm glad I was able to double up on this one, because this is the one that'll be getting to wear. And then, like I said, I like how it has the little green under also, but I just wanted to keep this one and the little off-white the way it is. I didn't want to do too much to it. So just want to kind of leave that one and let that ice out. And this one is going to be the one that's getting the run. And I love the way they did the New Era script on the side of it. Like I said, on this one today. No, they did it on this one too. But, and then of course got the indented Batterman. I believe that's on both too. But really, I just wanted this one because of the fact of basically the insides. I like the way that one carried is like, it's super, like it gives it that worn off-white look. This one is off-white, but just not so much. So if I had my choice, I'd use this one to rock and just leave that one on ice. You know what I'm saying? Since that one I got, and it just gives, I don't know, it just gives that look. Even when you look on the front of these, honestly, in my opinion, the Fear got the logo. This is more of a white, and it looks a little bigger too. And this one is more of an off-white if you check them. You know what I mean? This one is the off-white. Now, what's funny is the way this one is more of a dingy off-white kind of look on the guts. They should have put this F on this one. You know what I mean? It put the white one on this one. That's just my opinion. I don't know, you know, I'm pretty sure everybody noticed that, but I think that one would have been, you know, more of a, you know, a look to it if they would have had this F being this more of an off-white F on the hat with the more of the off-white look to it. So just something I didn't notice it, you know what I mean? Never really looked that in depth in them, but you know, is what it is. Like I said, got lucky on a quick double up. So with that being said, three quick drops. Well, not so much drops, but so much as in, you know, pickups actually in store from Liz. Who would have thunk it, as my own boy would say. You got your California Angels with your woven patch. Remember, let me know what y'all think about that. You got your camo undervisor, your Olive Chicago White Sox. I'm really feeling how these joints came out. Like I said, they had a lot more teams. I think they may still have a couple of sizes and different teams on the site. Then just a quick double up Fear of God, you know what I mean, with the green unders, the ones that just released, I want to say, what did they release? Earlier this year or later last year? One of the two. I think it was this year. But that's the pickups, man. Hey, what I'm going to say? I mean, I think it was just a conversation that was just dropped online with a Liz chairman or something like that. They going to keep flooding it, man. They going to keep dropping them. So, again, it was in the last video, but let me know what y'all think. They dropping study, but say, hey, I like it. Nothing, good competition and good resource never hurt anybody, you know what I'm saying? So I just put it like that. I mean, remember, at the end of the day, it's all business. And at the end of that day, we all consumers. So we all consumers, collectors, regular hat buyers. So, hey, man, if they give you something out there to be able to go buy and pick up for your collections or even just the everyday guy, I mean, I'm here for it. You know what I mean? I like what's going on. There's more options for more people. I mean, people are going to buy what they like and people are going to buy it to wear it. You know what I'm saying? So I have no problems with it. I mean, I don't think anybody else who actually buys is going to have a problem with it. Because, I mean, if you would, that's crazy. That's more product for you to buy, whether you're growing a collection, starting a collection, or, you know, just an everyday hat buyer. You know what I mean? Because there are collectors and there are collectors everywhere. But I'm pretty sure there's always going to be more of your everyday hat buyers than actually collectors. You know what I'm saying? That's how businesses are built. You know what I mean? So, with that being said, let me know in the comments how y'all feeling. Let me know what y'all thinking about the side patches and everything. Hell, let me know if y'all even just picking up from Liz since they just started hitting, you know, the market with all these drops. You know what I'm saying? As per usual, I'm going to get up out of here. Like, subscribe, all of that good stuff, man. Like I said, I appreciate y'all rocking with me. And you already know, I'm going to get with y'all in the comments. I'm going to get with y'all on the next video. You already know because it's always the next video. So until then, it's your boy. These the drops. And we out of here, man. I'm going to see y'all in the next one. And I'm going to see y'all in them comments. I'm gone.